So here we are, we're going to take apart a PS2 Slim. And the first thing we're going to do is remove the caps over the screws in these 6 locations. So I've taken the liberty of removing the screws and the caps that cover the screws. You'll notice that 2 of them here are made of rubber. Do not remove these are not screw caps. Now with the 3 screws to the fan removed, I can remove the fan, and it exposes 3 other screws for the heatsink manifold. There's one there, and the third one is here. With those 3 screws removed, I can then lift the manifold here. It separates from the motherboard quite easily. Put that aside. And then there are 4 ribbon cables to remove. The first one for the laser has a socket that lifts on 2 sides. So you carefully use your fingernails to remove that, and it'll just slide out like that. And then you do these other 3. Being careful not to damage the sockets. With those out, the motherboard can now be removed from the shell. And we can start our soldering job.